The fuck is that? That motherfucking snake tail, that motherfucker? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. It don't get any ridiculous than that. I didn't know a snake had a motherfucking head that big like that. I said, God damn! Damn, look at the back of that shit. Damn, you could put a rake back in that motherfucker. Don't run from it. Don't run from it. Don't run from that shit. Don't run from that shit. Don't run from that shit. I'm coming back to America. Come back to America, America, America. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have witnessed right there is called a pig's tail skin. A pig's tail skin ass. And I get scared of this shit sometimes. When you wake up in the morning, you see some shit like that, I want you to run and get the fuck out the motherfucking bed. And if you open the door and you see some shit under the couch or under the bed like that, I want you to get the fuck out that damn house. Matter of fact, don't even sell no cookies, no donuts, no bread, nothing. Just get the hell up out that house, because that shit is deadly. And what we have witnessed right there is what we call is roadkill. We say crack kills. We call Aaron Harry on kills. Excuse me. Who got the lighter to the Harry on kill, y'all? Here we go again. You see that shit again? Is that a bush or that's some hair? Bush that hair. Bush it. Shake that motherfucker. Shake them dreads. Shake them dreads. Show me what you want. Shake them dreads. Show me what you want. Shake them dreads. Yeah, baby.